Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great and for a Saturday evening. And I am Vivek. I'm the host and the organizer of AWS User Group Madurai. And today we will be actually playing AWS Quidditch, which is our AWS quiz tournament, which will be happening every Saturday, last Saturday of the month. So this is a pilot episode, and we will be starting with the quiz in a couple of minutes. So before that, a quick question, quick doubts, and for those who are asking in chat section. So what you have to do is go to the link which is present in the chat. You'll be able to see a link called quiz.confirm.com/t./AWS quiz. Make sure you are registered there and hop into that particular portal. So the quiz will be starting in a minute. Of course, we'll wait for some time for people to join in and to get started. So here is you will be able to find the quiz link in the video. So just a couple of minutes, just under a minute to go. So how the quiz will be based on this is a tournament. So what I mean by tournament is that we'll be playing this quiz every single month, and this is the first quiz. So based on the leaderboard of the entire quiz of every session, as well as at the overall total, we'll be able to figure out who's a winner. So for this tournament, for this quiz session, we have prize monies in terms of AWS credits. So the winner will be able to get a $60 AWS credit, a runner-up as $40 credit, and a second runner-up as $20 credit. So once the quiz is about to start, so we'll of course wait for a couple of minutes for people to hop in. So if you're in the portal, just go to quiz.confirm.com/t/AWS quiz, and then click on quiz 1, which is today's quiz. So we will then, let me, yes. Yes, so now you will be able to see a play quiz button in your portal. So you can click on it. So yes, so you will be able to see a lot of people already in the quiz, and we'll start with the quiz in a couple of minutes. So just once again, running through the quick instructions. So I'll be the host of today's quiz, and what we'll be doing is we'll be going through 10 questions, and each question will have 4 options, and there'll be only one correct option for each question. So based on the number of right questions and how fast you actually answer the quiz, the questions, you will be placed in the leaderboard. And at the end of the 10 questions, you'll be seeing who all are the top 3 of this particular quiz. And then based on the quiz every single month which is happening, we'll also finalize the winner of the whole tournament as well. So the YouTube is not the place for you to be. You have to jump into quiz.confirm.com/t/AWS quiz and hop onto the first quiz number 1 and click play quiz. So just one more, and you can also use the chat options available over there as well. And what we can do is, if you have something to say, you can hop in. And I guess you are already in the portal right now. So we have 66 people who are ready to play today. So just one more couple of minutes for the last few people to join in. So if you're new, don't worry. So this portal is completely user friendly. So the questions will be appearing on your screen. And what you have to do is we'll read out the question. So you have 30 seconds to actually answer a question. And it has 4 options. And there'll be only one option which will be the correct for the whole stuff, right? With that being said, let's start in a few more minutes. So we have 68 people who have joined in. So good number. So we can wait till if we can reach 69 or 70. So all the best to all other fellow participants. So this is a great chance for you to grab some AWS credits so we can work some amazing stuff in AWS projects. And of course, there'll be a huge prize which is waiting for you at the end of the tournament. So keep participating in every month and you'll be able to score something amazing, right? So we have 69 people joined in. Let's wait for one more minute and we are going to the quiz right away. So if you have any questions, please drop in the chat. I'll be able to take up the questions, but I think it should be straightforward right now. And by the way, if you haven't joined our Slack user group, please do join in. And that's where all our discussions, event updates, announcements, and going on. And also in our LinkedIn and Twitter. So we'll discuss about that at the end of the session, but let's hop in for just one more minute and we are good to go. All right. So yes, so we had hit the mark of 70. So I think we are good to start the quiz right now. So just quick round of instructions again. So you will be seeing a questions on the screen, and each question will have 4 options, and there'll be only one option correct. And you have to choose the option as soon as possible and get it right. So based on how fast you answer and how correct you answer it, that's the basis on how you will be able to see the leaderboard in your screen right now. So we have 71. I guess we can even wait for last minute comers, so we can. So yeah, so once you actually click Saravanan, this is for you. I think once you click on quiz.confirm/t/AWS quiz, underneath you'll be able to see quiz 1. You have to click that, and let me also walk you through this if that's okay. I'm already inside the attendees portal, but yeah. So what you have to do is go to the link which is present in the chat section or where you can see, and then you sign up. After you sign up, you'll be able to see something called quiz 1. You have to click that and then click start quiz. So I hope so you'll be able to join soon. I'll give you a minute or so to keep up the process. And there are a lot of people or in the lobby to getting ready to play. So we have hit the 72 mark. So without further ado, we are starting right now. And you'll be able to see the first question on your screen right now. Yes, so here's the first question. So which AWS service uses machine learning to protect sensitive data in AWS account? So is it AWS Massey, SageMaker, Route 53, or Recognition? So all the questions are pretty easy. So if you have gone through our Cloud Practitioner Bootcamp, so you'll be able to find all the answers. Or maybe if you have been following our Twitter, where we'll be posting everyday AWS, you'll be able to answer all these questions. So yep, the question is done. So let's see the stats. So we have got people answering over there. So Gautam has got, there are a lot of correct answers. So 45% of the people have got it right, nearly half of it. So there are like 1/4 of the people who skipped it. Please don't skip. So just go for the option. Even if you don't know, probably you'll get it right on the first time. So we have Gautam topping at 9 seconds, 9.976 seconds. So the right answer is AWS Massey. It's a AWS machine learning managed, like it's based on machine learning. It's a managed service which actually protects your sensitive data in AWS account. Great. So let's hop on for the second question. So you will be actually able to see the next question. Yes. So you'll be able to see the next question on your screen right now. So coming in 3, 2, 1. Yes. How many availability zones should compute resources be provisioned across to achieve high availability? So is it minimum of 1, minimum of 2, at most 1, or minimum of 3? So poll your answers immediately. Make sure that you get your based on the fastest and the right answer. Okay, so more than okay, there are a few skip people as well, so it's fine. So Harish have topped right now because he got 2 questions correct, followed by Akinan and Ratna. Perfect. So awesome. There are and Magendran also has got 2 points, so they got 2 out of 2. So 50% of the people have got it right this time. So no worries if you haven't actually able to get it right this time. It's no worries. You'll be able to catch up because we have 8 more questions left. So moving on again. So you'll be able to see the next question on your screen in a couple of seconds. Yes, 5 and Yes, you will be able to see the question right now. Which of the following is a shared control between a customer and AWS? So is it Amazon S3 client encryption, or is it a configuration of Amazon EC2 instances, or is it environmental controls of an AWS data center, or is it about awareness and training? So which is a shared control, because both AWS and the customer should be involved in this particular aspect. So which one of the four? Okay, so how many people have got it right this time? Let's see. So 19%, 17. Okay, most of them have got it wrong. So I'll give a quick explanation. So S3 client-side encryption is your responsibility. It's the customer's responsibility. And you will be the person who will be configuring Amazon EC2 instances. So it's your responsibility. AWS does not do it for you, right? And coming to the data centers, it's AWS responsibility to maintain the complete data centers. But coming to awareness and training, which is you both AWS takes part and to give awareness and trainings like communities right now, and you will also be undergoing some training sessions, like you'll be practicing for cloud practitioner bootcamp, or getting aware of the new services which is being launched. So this is a shared responsibility between a customer and AWS. So uh, Harish and Akilan have got it right this time. So congrats. So again, for people who haven't got it right, it's totally fine, because you will be able to catch up very soon. And we have 7 more questions left. So moving on to the next question, we have, you will be able to see it on your screen right now. Yes. So which AWS service can be used to implement a private cloud or a hybrid cloud to work with your public cloud account? So this one is, if you have been following our Twitter account, you will be able to figure out what's happening over there. So is it AWS Outpost, or is it AWS Snowmobile, or is it AWS Config? Okay, so there are a lot of right questions right now. So who got it right? Let's see. So Harish has got all the 4 questions right, and Akilan has got it 4. So it's AWS Outpost. So and AWS Outpost is a completely fully managed service. So that helps you to actually implement a private cloud or hybrid cloud. And also that can work with your public cloud account, which is your AWS account. So it's AWS Outpost. So that's the right answer. So let's hop on to the next question. Yes, coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the lowest cost durable storage option for retaining data backups for immediate retrieval? So make sure that you note all the question, which is perfectly. So it's for immediate retrieval. So will you go for S3, or will you go for Amazon Glacier, or Amazon EBS, or Amazon EC2 Instant Store? Make sure that you need to get your data immediately. So it's an immediate retrieval. So which one would you offer? All right, so we have the answers here. So we have got the answers. So it's who got it right this time. So Akilan has got it right, all 5 questions. So but he took a lot of seconds, so it's 98. And Amazon Glacier, we have it here. Amazon EBS, it's Amazon S3 is the right answer actually. So yes. Let's hop in for the next question. So which Amazon service is used to find and suggest improvement for Java or Python code? Got 15 seconds left on your time. So is it Code Guru, or Code Reviewer, Code Check, or Code Commit? So it's up. So who got it right? So Akilan has got all the questions right so far. So it's Code Guru. And followed by Harish, Mahendran, and Vamsi Krishna, and Monesh, Gautam, and so forth. Yep. So it's Code Guru. So let's hop on for the next question. So you'll be seeing that in your screen right away. Yes, it's pretty simple. I guess it should be, everyone should be able to get it. What does Amazon S3 stand for? Single storage service, simple storage service, serverless storage service, or storage 3? So time's up. So this is like okay. So most of them, almost everyone, I think I've got simple storage service as the right answer. Perfect, good. Perfect. It's not serverless storage service who are opted it for, but anyway, I think you'll learn something today new. Great. Let's hop on for the next question. And it will be in your screen. Which one is a serverless service? I think it should be also pretty easy. So is it Amazon EC2 Spot, or Amazon Lightsafe, Amazon ECR, or AWS Lambda? So I hope everyone gets it right. So yeah, so most of them have got it right this time. So it's AWS Lambda is the right answer. So it's a serverless service. So what does Lambda do? So it's a serverless event-driven compute. So they manage every service for you, so you don't have to just maintain your code. Let's go for the next question. And in your screen. So let's assume AWS UG Madurai wants to run a MySQL database to store all the attendees' details that can be scaled, because which AWS service will you use? So it's MySQL. I think that should be your clue where you have to look for. Is it Aurora, Redshift, DynamoDB, or Elasticsearch? Got it. Okay, nice. So, Akilan, I think you're doing great here. So 9 out of 9. Awesome. So, yep, Aurora is the right answer. So it's a MySQL database. So DynamoDB is actually a NoSQL database. And of course, Redshift is for your warehousing purposes. And Elasticache is for in-memory, so it does not apply for this. Let's go for the next question. And on your screen. And the last question, get it right, guys. Suppose you are an entrepreneur and you want to get started on AWS and host all resources or something on to your startups. Which program would you opt for? One more clue. This program also gives you $5,000 as a credits for you to run all your resources related to startups. Great, 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 great. So Most of them have got it right. So it's 7 participants have got it right, actually. We have reached the end of the quiz right now. So let's go for the end. So Akilan has got 10 out of your 10 questions correct. So congrats to Akilan. I hope you have all your email addresses correct. So we'll reach out to your email address. Harish, thanks. And you have the second runner-up, and Gautam going for the second runner-up. So, and congrats to all other users. So Pubalan, actually there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to second, from starting from second to sixth is like everyone has got it 7.7 out of 10. Good number. So you can keep it up. And Rahul, Ratna, and KG followed by good answering. So the next quiz, I think, will be very much competitive to keep yourself on the top of the tournament. Don't worry, the tournament winner gets an amazing surprise. So you can catch it up in the next quiz. So let me end the quiz. So yep, so we have ended the quiz. So, but if you are in YouTube right now, I guess you will be able to go to the metrics and view our leaderboard. So Akilan has got it right. So 75. There were around 25 participants. So amazing! Thanks for participating. And we will reach out to the top 3, and we will announce it in our social handles by tomorrow. And we will reach out to you with all the credits that you have secured. Thanks everyone, and hope you join for the next quiz. Keep registering, and you'll let's play next month, July, in August, last Saturday of August. So thanks everyone, and take care, and goodbye.